Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 21. In the production of effect, karya, and cause, karana, prakriti is said to be the cause, and in the experience of pleasure, sukha, and pain, dukha, purusha is said to be the cause.
कार्यकारणकर्तृत्वे हेतुप्रकृतिरुच्यते पुरुषसुखदुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुर्उच्यते.
Chapter 13, Shloka 21. What then are these forms and qualities which are described here as born of Prakriti? In the macrocosm, the effects, which are 13 in number, are constituted of the five great elements, the five senses, mind, intellect, and ahankar. In the microcosm, the effects, which are 13 in number, are constituted of five the microcosmic gross elements in their gunas, themselves represented as the five indriyas, mind, intellect, and ahankar. The mind receives the stimuli received from the outer world, and intellect is the coordinating and understanding, discriminating and reasoning principles which governs the mind. The ego is the constant I-ness which identifies with the objects constituted of the elements, the mind, and the intellect, which sends out the responses. All these 13 items are together in their aggregate called the effect, the world of matter. From the five great elements down to the ego, all items together form the world of objects and can be perceived, and of which Prakriti is the cause. That which perceives the entire world of objects and their reactions upon the ego, which is the individual's direct reaction to the world, is the self. The light of consciousness is that which illumines the world of objects outside and the instruments of perception, feeling, and thought within. Pleasure and pain are the reactions in our intellect. The awareness in us illumines these. Without the grace of the consciousness, this would not be possible. Therefore, the spirit, Purusha, is explained here as the cause for the experiences in life. The spirit functioning in a field as the knower of it suffers the sorrows of the field. Like he who stands in the sun suffers the heat If he retires in shade, he enjoys the shade. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.